generic webinar account. That's why it says webinar session. And of course the date and time that comment was sent to your customer. And this time should be based on your store's time, and I believe this store is set up to be Eastern time zone, so that's why we're seeing 2:08 versus the 11:08 when I submitted it from my location. So to go back up to the top here, I also want to note we have a similar history for any changes that are made to your order, and you'll see this change history up at the top. If I click this, it's going to display for me, based on date and time, any changes that were made to my order. So you can see, based on the clicking that I had done with editing, the information that is being communicated or actually changed by the user and exactly what the change is. So if you have multiple team members that are processing your orders and a change was done and you need to figure out when it was done, you can always use this change history to review that information. All right, so let's focus on the payment. When I look at this order and I see the payment information that was supplied, one of the first things that I'm going to look for is my ID and my AVS information. This information here verifies a couple different items for me. One, it confirms for me that I had a direct communication with my authorized.net account that was established for my site. And this ID number is actually generated by authorized.net. If I were to go and log into the authorized.net account associated with my store, I could look for this transaction based on that ID